this is Barefoot Roots, and today we are planting short and sweet carrot. This is what the seeds are.
They're very small.
Yeah, so it's gonna be tricky for me. For these seeds, I would use 4 or 5. And in this, we have some coffee grounds.
And our dirt.
And our dirt and water, which I've been just spraying it in this and then mixing it.
And today we're going to do a lot of the carrots in these containers, and we buy these at Walmart. And the good thing about these is you can plant the entire thing directly in the ground.
Now I'm just going to keep putting some water in it until it gets really smooth and really good to, really smooth to stir. Also, we have these. We have big and small. So if I can even get those, it's hard to get them apart.
So if you notice, we've had to move over to the other table, and we're thinking by Sunday that we'll be able to start moving all of these outside and get them out of the house.
I like how they are all different sized, which we could use different sized ones. Right now, these are my favorite because you can put them in the ground without damaging vegetables or stuff. These also can work. Paper towel rolls or toilet paper rolls. Those can work too.
And yesterday
we 4 slits in the bottom and take them.
Sorry. Yesterday we planted some cantaloupe seeds, and we're hoping those do very well because we like those a lot. We are really starting to see a lot of growth.
Yesterday that was not there.
No?
Yesterday that was not there.
Yeah.
Yesterday that was not there.
We have tomato growth, lemongrass growth. We have sweet banana pepper growth, so we're off to a great start.
Grandma, can I show them this?
Sure.
See these couple few? They have sprouts already starting. We know. Bye.